Good morning, children. Today we will do the poem If Mice Could Roar, lesson number 2. Children, tell me, what are the things you would like to change? Sometimes don't you feel that this thing should be like the other way? In this poem, which is written by Ruskin Bond, we will discuss that how a child wishes that some things could change. Now children, Ruskin Bond was a great English writer and a poet who has written many poems on different topics for the children specially. So today we will discuss that which are the things a child wishes to change. First, let me recite the poem. If mice could roar and elephants soar and trees grow up in the sky, if tigers could dine on biscuits and wine, and the fattest of folk could fly, if pavements could sing and bells never ring, and teachers were lost in the post, if tortoise could run and losses be won and bullies be buttered on toast, if a song brought charm and a gun grew a flower, this world would be better than most. So as you can see the poem before you, the child is saying that if mice could roar, mice means plural of mouse. Now have you ever seen mouse roaring? No. Mouse squeaks. Here the child wishes that mouse or mice plural form could roar like a lion. And elephant soar. Now what is the meaning of this word S-O-A-R, soar? Soar means to fly high. Now imagine an elephant flying high up. Impossible, no? Because elephant is very big and fat. So the child imagines if the elephants could fly high and trees grow up in the sky. The trees, as you all know, trees grow in the ground, but he or she wishes that the trees could grow up in the sky. If tigers could dine means to eat, to have dinner, on biscuits and wine. Oh, the tigers eating biscuits and wine is a kind of a drink. What does a tiger eat? Yes, you are correct. Tigers are always fond of eating meat and flesh. But imagine tigers eating biscuits and drink. Then, and the fattest of folk could fly. What is folk? F-O-L-K, folk. Folk means people. Now, fat people could fly away. Like already the child wishes to have elephants flying high. Can a fat person fly? Oh, never. But he or she wishes that if the fattest of folk, very fat people could fly high. If pebbles could sing. Now what are pebbles? Pebbles are stones. If stones could sing a song. And bells never ring. Now bells, where do you hear the bells? Oh yes, in the school, of course, every day. Now he or she is saying that if the bells never ever rang, so that there is no periods or wish to have no school or maybe which you are enjoying now. And the teachers were lost in the post. And the teachers, like you send a post, you send a letter or you send a parcel to somebody in the through post office and it goes in post. He wishes that the teachers were lost in the post. So he doesn't want any school, maybe, like you are having no schools nowadays right now. Then if tortoise could run, you know, all know the story of hare and the tortoise. Yes, the tortoise, they are slow walking animal, and he wishes that the tortoise could run like a rabbit and losses be won. Like you play a game and you lose and you feel bad or sad. So he wants that all the losses could be won. So there is no win and loss, means everybody could win the game and be happy. And bullies be buttered on toast. Now what does this word bullies mean? B-U-L-L-I-E-S. Bullies means a person who, you know, like he overpowers other person. Like you say that, oh, don't do this, you come out of the class, I will show you. You know, some children want acts stronger than others, and whatever he or she wishes, he wants others also do. So the poet says that there will be no person who will be bullying. It's not a good thing. And they will all be buttered on the toast. Like you take a toast and you have seen, maybe you have done or your parents or your mother does it, that she put butter on the toast the bread you eat. So all these bullies can be buttered on the toast, like they can be buttered and they are not acting in a bad way. If a song brought a shower, like if you sing a song and there is a shower, means it gives you relief. Nowadays you scorching sun and you all wish that there would be a light shower at least to give you a relief. So you sing a song and there is rainfall. And a gun grew a flower. Nobody wants war. War is bad. And in war you use guns. Guns being disaster, it brings death. So he wants that the gun grew a flower. There is no bullet coming out from the gun. Only flowers are coming out. Good things. Na? He wishes good things. This world would be better than most, and we want a beautiful. Just imagine if we have all these things, nobody bullying others, nobody talking bad to others, and no using of guns. So this world will be a very beautiful place to live in. So this is the imagination of a child, that child want good things, and you all sometimes may feel that just it would have happened, this would not have happened. Like nowadays we are all locked in our houses, we cannot come out, so you imagine and you wish so many things. Yes, we would have been in the class and enjoyed our session in the class with our teachers and friends. So similarly, this child or the poet wants that all these things could happen and this world could have become a much better place to live in. So I hope you have understood the poem and the meaning, and just I will ask you one or two short questions. Like what does the poet wants the elephant to do? Yes, you are correct. Elephants could fly high in the sky. What does the poet wants the mice could do? The mice could roar like a lion. Yes. And the fables could sing. And what would the child wish? That guns grew. The guns grew into flowers. Yes. So in this way, this is a wish of a child, that he wishes that all these things would have happened and this world would have become a beautiful place to live in. Thank you.